Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Robinhood for dividend strategy, easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open the Robinhood app on your device. If you don't have the app, download it from your app store. Create a new account or log in to your existing account. Once logged in, navigate to the home screen. On the home screen, tap on the magnifying glass icon to search for stocks. Enter the name of a company you're interested in for dividend investing. Review the search results and select the company of your choice. On the company's page, look for the trade button and tap on it. Select buy to purchase shares of the stock. Enter the amount you wish to invest in the stock. Review the details of your order carefully. If everything looks good, swipe up to confirm your purchase. After purchasing, return to the home screen. To create a dividend strategy, go to your portfolio. Monitor your stocks regularly to track dividends. Review dividend yield and payment history of each stock. Consider reinvesting dividends for compound growth. Utilize Robinhood's tools to set alerts for dividend payments. Keep a diversified portfolio to manage risk effectively. Continue to research companies with strong dividend records. Review your strategy periodically to adapt to market changes. Explore the news and updates related to your investments. Make informed decisions based on your research and market trends. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.